Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and the browser version so you know which settings appear. Once done, make sure battery and network are stable. Open the Vivo browser and tap the menu icon, usually 3 dots in the corner, to reveal options. You need to access display or theme controls immediately, so avoid navigating away. If prompted to update the app, apply the update now. Otherwise, proceed to the next step to find dark mode or night mode settings and toggle them off. Now go into the browser settings and choose Display, Appearance, or General Options. Vivo often groups theme controls there. Scroll to find Dark Theme, Night Mode, or a System Theme toggle. Some versions label it Theme or Color Mode. Tap the toggle to switch off Dark Mode, or explicitly select Light Theme to force a bright interface. Make sure any Follow System option is disabled if your phone is in dark mode. Doing this ensures the browser stays in light mode independently. Finish by closing the Vivo browser completely and reopening it so the theme change takes effect across tabs. Some settings require a restart. If pages still appear dark, clear the browser cache and site data from Settings Privacy, then relaunch. Make sure your phone's system dark mode is off or that the browser isn't set to follow system theme. If the issue persists, update or reinstall the browser to reset defaults. As a fallback, restart the phone before trying the last step to resolve stubborn settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.